Ivy was getting old. All her parts were wearing out. Her driver and fireman knew this, despite her trying not to let them know. I'm fine. Ivy, let's take you to the works. You'll feel much better. Ivy was scared of the works. She heard it's where steam engines are broken up for scrap. The guard blew his whistle and waved his green flag. And Ivy started. The train was heavy, and Ivy struggled to build up steam. She was late to every station on her route. The passengers complained what a bad railway this was. Ivy felt terrible. The guard blew his whistle and Ivy started once more. Her wheels slipped to grip the track. Once she was up to speed, the train was so much easier to pull, but the driver and fireman were worried. Steady, Ivy, pace yourself. But Ivy didn't listen. Then it happened. Her safety valve burst. Great clouds of steam and smoke erupted from her boiler. Ivy coughed and spluttered. Oh dear, she groaned. The driver called for help in a nearby signal box. Before long, the breakdown train arrived. Ivy was shunted into the repair shed and inspected. The Fat Controller arrived. How is she? The inspector shook his head. She needs a complete overhaul, sir. The Fat Controller was silent. That was the last thing Ivy saw before she was pulled under.